and welcome to our latest Siebel CRM update, brought to you by the Siebel Hub, your #1 resource for always up-to-date Siebel CRM training. As announced on Oracle CloudWorld, which took place earlier in September in Las Vegas, Siebel CRM 24.9 includes some exciting new features and enhancements. Oracle's Generative AI service is now pre-integrated with Siebel CRM. OpenUI developers can apply data-driven styles with ease. Administrators will find it easier to deactivate employees, and the Tomcat version remains unchanged at 9.0.88. If you haven't spent the past 2 years behind the proverbial rock, you're aware of the steamroller that is generative AI. While it's yet to be seen if generative AI will live up to the expectations, organizations are actively exploring and evaluating business use cases. CRM systems are veritable treasure troves of data, and it's an easy guess that the combination of CRM and generative AI is a match made in heaven. Siebel CRM has finished a first batch of artificial intelligence-driven functionality with the 22.10 update. Since then, Oracle ships pre-built business services along with the OCI Java SDK, allowing customers to explore the out-of-the-box use cases or develop homegrown integrations with OCI AI services such as language, speech, or document understanding. With the 24.9 update, Oracle provides significant enhancements to the existing integration and adds additional out-of-the-box use cases, leveraging OCI generative AI services for sentiment analysis and text summarization. It's important to understand that any modern version of Siebel CRM can be integrated with any external API, including cloud-based AI services of any color. Custom integration using the API vendor's SDK or REST API, however, requires significant effort. So, if your vendor of choice is Oracle and you're looking for a Kickstarter solution, the pre-built OCI AI service integration sounds interesting. So what exactly is new for OCI AI integration in 24.9? As mentioned before, Oracle provides new out-of-the-box use cases for generative AI integration, namely sentiment analysis for service requests and activities, and text summarization for activities. Another new use case based on the AI language service is the ability to classify service requests. The existing use cases for PII, personal identifiable information, and speech transcription have been enhanced. Thanks to OCI side enhancements, PII extends to PHI, personal health information, and supports masking of the detected text. Voice-to-text speech transcription for attachments now supports a broader range of audio and video file formats. If you've used generative AI before, you know that the all-important human effort is to engineer the perfect prompt. In any business use case, you would want the generative AI to stay to the facts all the time and keep hallucinations at bay. The prompts for the pre-built and custom generative AI scenarios can be administered in a new view in the administration application screen. As is the case with the use cases that were introduced in 22.10, the new generative AI use cases are driven by business component user properties. Check out the Application Administration Guide in Bookshelf 24.9 and higher for documentation of these user properties. After applying for repository upgrade, which is required to uptake the OCI AI integration capabilities, and after providing the OCI connectivity details to your Tenacity, you can start exploring the out-of-the-box use cases. Here we see a screenshot of the sentiment analysis for service requests. Note the new sentiment column. It's quite interesting that a simple prompt is enough to instruct a large language model to reply with exactly one of 3 values. Also note that Oracle went to great lengths to apply CSS styles to the field values. As we'll see in a moment, this is a showcase for a new OpenUI enhancement. The infamous ability of generative AI to generate text is used with the use cases on service request activities. After setting the activity type to closure summary or transfer summary, the description of the activity will be sent to the LLM. The summary of the input is returned and displayed in a pop-up applet. Users can now review the summary and choose to simply close the pop-up or save the summary back to the activity as a new description. The new text classification use case applies to service requests. According to the updated bookshelf guide, this requires a custom model for the language AI service. The goal of this use case is to demonstrate classification of service request, using the description text as input and providing pick list values for area and sub-area as the output. To achieve data-driven styling for field values, as in the sentiment use case, Oracle employs the record state field applet user property. With 24.9 and higher, the OpenUI Bookshelf Guide includes more details about this user property, including the record state control user property. Both user properties allow OpenAI developers to assign a CSS class based on the value of a business component field to either the entire row in a list applet or to individual list columns or form applet controls. The class must be referenced in a custom style sheet to define the look and feel of the row, list, column, and control. Application administrators will welcome the new user status column in the employee list applet, allowing them to quickly deactivate employees by setting the field to inactive. This feature is included in the repository upgrade or can be applied manually following the configuration instruction in the release notes. And there you have it. Siebel CRM 24.9 brings generative AI closer to your data. Watch this channel and the Siebel Hub for our updated Siebel CRM AI integration video training. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.